What's the meaning of beta-carotene? Beta-carotene. Beta-carotene.
Beta-carotene. Beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is a type of carotenoid, which is a natural pigment found in plants. It is known for its orange-red color and is found in many fruits and vegetables such as carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. Beta-carotene is converted to vitamin A in the body and is important for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. It also functions as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Adequate intake of beta-carotene has been linked to a reduced risk of certain chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. However, excessive intake can lead to adverse effects.